Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Lainey. You guys seem to really like my layering video where I kind of walk you through how I put outfits together. So I decided that I wanted to do that style again, and we're going to do it with how to style baggy clothes. I love wearing baggy clothes. I feel most confident when I'm in an entire baggy outfit. This is just pajamas. But I want to give you some tips and tricks to not completely get lost in your clothes. I will say that I have an advantage wearing baggier clothes just because I'm taller. I don't get as drowned by the clothes, and I don't want to act like that's not helping me, but I've seen shorter girls wear baggy clothes too and look absolutely adorable, especially if you make little tweaks to them depending on your body type. I would definitely say tall girls have it easy, and I'm not even tall. I'm 5'7", so I just want to put that out there before anybody says anything in the comments, because I know. But I'm just going to show you how it works for me, and maybe it'll work for you. Before we get into this video though, I want to say thank you so much to Free People for sponsoring this video. I have a lot of goodies to share from Free People that I wanted to style in this way because they're all baggy, and let's just get started. Okay, so the first piece I want to style, can you tell I've already been wearing these? I want to style these Levi's that I got from Free People. They're just baggy jeans, and they're in the style loose straight. I think baggy jeans are literally everybody's go-to right now. They are quickly taking over every other kind of style of jeans. These are a little bit low-waisted too, so let's put them on. Okay, here are the jeans. They are definitely, you know, the loose feel. Some might say they do nothing for my figure, and I might say that's what I like for my clothes to do most of the time. I think we're gonna style these, I don't know yet, but let's take off the sweatshirt and put on a t-shirt. Okay, I was gonna put on a t-shirt because it's what I wore yesterday with these jeans, but I wanted to show you guys this cardigan from Free People. This is massive. This is the epitome of oversized baggy clothing, and I'm going to show you how you can make it look really cute. So we're just going to button one button, and then it's still pretty low cut. So I'm going to pin the top. I talk about this in my video where I give you tips on not to buy new clothing. If there's something you want to alter on your clothing that seems really simple, just try it. It probably is really simple. So I'm just going to pin this top button so I don't have to wear a shirt underneath it. And this is just with a safety pin, you guys, dumb easy. I could sew add a button later on, but sometimes I really like the simplicity of using a safety pin or adding a quick stitch to something, because now the top stays closed, but I can leave the whole bottom open. I could honestly even have all the buttons open if that was the look I'm going for, but that is a little too much for me. So what I like about this sweater when we're pairing it with just all baggy, because I think old Lainey would have paired this with, you know, leggings or tighter pants, or maybe even a little skirt and tights underneath, which would all be really, really cute. But today we're talking about baggy clothes. It's having this kind of opening somehow saves the whole outfit. Also, what you could do with this is just taking it off the shoulder and having it be that super relaxed look. Adding a little bit of skin in other places while still having baggy clothing can really make things still look feminine. Also, having my hair up, pulled back in a slick bun, makes things look really clean, not like you just rolled out of bed and are wearing PJs. You still look very put together. So with this outfit, also this cardigan has pockets, which is so cute. With this outfit, we could either do, there's a few choices. Let me find them. These are what are going through my head right now. We could either dress it up a bit more with loafers, which I don't think I want to do. I want to keep it casual. So either Uggs to make it super cozy, or tennis shoes, and I think I'm going to go with my New Balances. I normally wear socks. I'm just being lazy, you guys. If you feel like your baggy clothes are really flooding your entire body, a really quick and easy fix is adding a pair of heels to your outfit. So if I felt like I was really losing my height or elongating my body, I would just add any of my little black booties with this. And especially if your pants are longer and your pants just totally cover the heel. It'll make your legs look super long and still really tall. And that's kind of what this cardigan is doing, is you can see if these pants were high-waisted, my legs would look 10 times longer. I don't really like high-waisted pants. So having this like able to see my full leg line, it doesn't cut off my leg where the cardigan goes. I'm trying to give tips where you would think about pieces looking flattering on your body or not. But as you can tell, I really don't care about those things, but I want to point out that like if that's what you're thinking of, you can use that in your favor or not. I like just even taking the sweater and tucking one side in so you can keep that longevity of at least one leg you could always do. But I like everything baggy. So then with this outfit, you could either do like a long trench, or I really like the look of, you know, showing all my layers right now. So I want my leather jacket. I love knits with leather. I think it's super cute. And then pulling the collar of this cardigan out over the leather jacket. And then I think another really big tip when you're wearing an all baggy outfit is to use a smaller purse. It just, again, somehow makes things look a little bit cleaner. And it doesn't have to be like a baguette bag or anything. This is just a little Telfar that looks really cute if I just hold it or put it crossbody. Okay, let's go on to the next. Now we're gonna do a pair of wide leg trousers. Again, I just wore these, so inside out. I feel like everybody has a pair of wide leg trousers now, and that's all I need to say. Honestly, if these colors were a little more like both warm tone or both cool tone, I think that this would go really well together. I think it's really cute, and again, it shows that like high-waisted, giving me a longer leg with this kind of like higher cut cardigan. But I want to dress these trousers down a little bit, so we're going to add a t-shirt. So we're going to keep it super neutral. Again, this t-shirt is from Free People. It says, "Be careful, there are babes in the forest," with Smokey the Bear on it. I don't know why, I thought it was so cute. And I love all the neutral. As you can tell, these pants are a lot more fitted to me. They look more like a tailored pant rather than the like super slouchy jean. I like both styles, but I know a lot of people aren't gonna like the super slouchy. And then we're gonna play into like the layering and the vests. I got this vest from Free People, and I like that it's a little bit bigger, and I can pair it over a t-shirt. I think that these suit vests look super cute. These suit vests look super cute over a graphic tee where the little graphic is poking out over it. And suit pants and suit vests are like my favorite things ever, and I like it when they match, when they don't match, all the above. So here we've got this t-shirt hanging out of the bottom, and I normally like when my stuff like has all these layers, but this I don't. So I just kind of do a French tuck, and I like it still poking out of the bottom, but not as long as it was. So more so like that. What jacket do I want to do? What shoes do I want to do? Maybe to tie in the black from the vest, I'm going to put those loafers on. I've got like a full suit outfit. And then for a jacket, I want to put my leather jacket back on, you guys. I love my leather jacket, but we're going to look. But I think I want my leather jacket. I don't know. Like, I could do a blazer. This is my mom's prom dress from the 1800s. I could do a leather blazer. What if I did a green blazer? I never wear this, and I don't know why. Is this just dumb? Yeah, you know who looked good with this? Izzy on TikTok. But like, it looks weird on me. But I kind of want to do something a little more funky. So maybe we do this jacket, like with two patterns. You know, it's definitely funky, but I kind of like it. And then we're gonna do a my black Telfar to tie something together. I feel like if I have all these crazy colors going on, at least matching my shoes to my bag helps a little bit. If you're looking for an oversized jacket, my tip is to get one that still fits your sleeves or your arms. This makes things look a lot more fitted even when I'm super baggy around the whole rest of my body. But then also having this kind of cinched in wrist is a really good feature. Make things look more fitted and not like you're wearing your dad's coat. I always look like I'm wearing somebody else's clothes, but it's okay. You can look for features like this or always get things tailored to fit you a little better. Look at this feather. This is really cute. I like it a lot. Good job, everybody. Something else that can make a baggy outfit look chic and put together is monochrome, so let's do that. Let's start with these baggy Jaded London cream pants. Then I'm either gonna do this cream cardigan. The thing is, it's just not really baggy, but because it's a little bit cropped. See, I think it's a little too short. I feel like most people would like that, but I want something a lot bigger. This is the baggy I want. Then let's add, I know so many people are gonna like the first one first. The first one better, but I don't care. Let's add this vest from Free People. I'm obsessed with this vest. I think it's so cute. Then I want to do this jacket. Isn't like necessarily monochrome with the outfit, but I think it's the perfect like splash of color, and it is obviously very baggy. I love it. I love all these layers. They will keep you so warm. This looks super cute as is. Oh, I've got my matching gloves. Sure, let's put them on. We can add another little splash of color. I'm gonna break a nail with how aggressive I put on all my clothes. This little hat has little mushrooms and daisies on it. It's also from Free People. Literally, it fits too perfect in the color palette not to wear it. So I'm just gonna grab my black bag. It doesn't like necessarily match this outfit. I think the only thing holding it together is like the black outlining of this hat, which seems so weird. But other than that, I love, love, love this outfit. And I do really like it with this bag. Looking at it in the viewfinder, this outfit looks really cute. Monochrome is definitely a super easy way to put together an outfit. Obviously, all your tones don't have to be the same. Just kind of think of the tone you're going for. It makes baggy outfits look like they had a purpose when you put them on any outfit, not just baggy. Also, when you're doing monochrome, it's really great to add different textures. So like these pants with all these little rips in them add a texture to this outfit. I could have gone with the cardigan, and that's like a softer texture than with this puffy, but we've got like a cotton, we've got the puffer, we've got the rips, and we've got a wool, we've got knit, leather, lots of textures, and that's what I love for. Mix and match those textures, mostly mix. Okay, last outfit. And I gotta fix my hair. Then I have an idea for my next outfit. Let's see how it goes. I wanna start with this knit dress that looks so pretty from Free People, and it's not necessarily like baggy to begin with, but let me show you where I'm gonna go. I'm just like putting this dress on, but like look how cute these go together. Like this could be an outfit. The like matching creams. Oh, that's so cute. Mistake, accidental outfit, but this is what I wanted to show. Okay, here is the dress as is. It's just like a tube top bodycon dress that is literally to die for. It is so pretty, and I can't wait to wear this like in the summertime. But to dress it for the winter, I'm gonna show you what I want to do. So I think it'd be really fun to add this like graphic long sleeve from Free People. If you couldn't tell when I was like picking out these items on Free People, like I bought them with the intentions of pairing them together, that didn't just like magically happen. So we've got this long sleeve, which I think could really tone it down. And I'm thinking we can either do it like this and make the dress look like a skirt, but I'm not obsessed with that. My other idea was pull the skirt dress over top. And I feel like that's really fun. Has she lost her mind? Probably. Then, what if I did this? This last one's just gonna be really fun with layers. What if I put this thing I thrifted over top? I'm sorry, but like, why is that fun? Who let this be fun? I don't think I'm gonna keep it on for this video. Maybe with like the top knot on it underneath, because especially to get away with this dress, you know, in like cooler weather, it's kind of fun. I'm gonna take the top off. I love this. It is a little more summery, but I never said this was like a winter outfit, and we can try and dress it a little bit more wintry. I'm really liking the look of this. So we've got the dress on underneath, and then the super baggy dress on top. And then I guess to make it a little more wintry, let's try adding Uggs. She's lost her mind. Dude, why do I love this? Why do I love this? I wish this would stay a little more open. Like, stay open. They literally have this on Free People, though I know it. You can either add, I think a trench like really makes sense right now to just keep with the long layers, but I kind of don't want to make sense right now. So let's do my leather jacket. Yeah, I think that was the move. Am I crazy? This is so fun. If we want to, again, make it a little warmer, I really like plaid and plaid, but this might be too much. I mean, like, it's not. I don't think we need the scarf. Let's just keep it like this. You guys, this is cute. I don't care what you tell me. Let's add some sunglasses. These sunglasses let everyone know you're a trendy girl, but I really like this. This dress is gonna be so, like, universal for me. Dang, that's so fun to pair a long dress under, like, a button tunic dress. I really like this outfit and with the Uggs. Oops, I like it a lot. Cute. I kind of want to wear this today, and I might. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to shop any of the items I mentioned in this video, you can check out the description box, especially the items from Free People. Thank you again to Free People for sponsoring this video, and that's it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you tomorrow because it's still Vlogmas. I love you so much. Bye.